Oh, hello there. The name's Koy. Ken Koy. And I'm here today to promote a movie entitled Teach Me How to Pogi. A movie that may help other guys out there na gusto rin maging pogi just like me. A pogi is such a big word. So, naisip ko, to be fair, na i-share itong nalalaman ko tungkol dito. So, are you excited to watch the movie? Just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Tips and rule number 1. Dress and look like a pogi. First thing in the morning, pagkagising mo, you should start your day with a smile. Syempre, ang pogi ay dapat may positive outlook in life. Must stay happy. Bawal po ang nakasimangot. Bawal din na nakikita sa isang pogi ang pagod or inaantok. Dahil ang pogi, marunong maghikab ng nakangiti. Nitry nyo, no? That's okay. Pogi ka eh. Gusto mo yan. Pero ang pogi, hindi rin ututo. Second, after you had your morning rituals, take a good bath and have a fresh breath, and you have used the Nivea for Man Facial Foam Minimizer, sigaw ka ng malakas na good morning. Ang tamang pananamit ng pogi, it's not so hard naman to choose the right clothes. Mapa-formal wear or casual wear, pa depende yan sa nagdadala. Remember, all you have to do is to be confident with yourself. And the proper attire comes with the right attitude. Tandaan, ang pagiging pogi, wala sa itsura yan. Tips and rule number 2. Walk and talk like a pogi. You've been doing it all your life, but are you getting it right? Ang tamang paglalakad ng isang pogi ay dapat ganito. First, you need to relax your shoulders and keep them back and down. Stand tall with a slightly lifted chest and a straight back. Bend arms 90 degrees at the elbow and swing in time with the opposite leg. This balances the body. Don't slump your shoulders. Don't strike the ground with your toe first. Use your heel first. Then feel the pressure roll towards balls of your feet, then push up your toes. Don't tilt your head to one side. Hold it straight. Like a pogi. Huwag yung parang laging ka nagmamadali or yung malilate ka sa iyong pupuntahan. Remember, the pogi is always late. But still, work the weight. Talk like a pogi. Ang pogi, hindi na kailangan magsalita. When someone is talking, just listen attentively and nod to let them know that you catch up with every word they say. At kapag hiningi nila ang opinion mo, just comment briefly, short, yet straight to the point. If they laugh about it, laugh like a pogi. Huwag yung parang sobrang overacting kung tumawa. A simple is pogi. Tips number 3. Work like a pogi. Ang pogi, hindi tamad, pero daig ng pogi ang masipag. That is why, a pogi like me can do anything at the same time. I update my blog while having my push-ups. Like a pogi. I study. I clean the house. Cook my food while flexing my muscles. Every day is gym day, and with a proper diet and healthy living, a pogi can do anything. Tips number 4. Help like a pogi. A pogi is friendly. Champion sa pakikisama ang pogi. Ika nga, you've got a friend in me. And all you have to do is call, and I'll be there.
Tulong! Tulong! Magnanakaw!
Miss, ano nangyari sa'yo?
Kukunin na ako.
Miss, saan nagpunta ng ginakaw?
Oh, nandun.
Sige, tutulungan kita. Dito ka lang, ha? Wag! Tumigil ka!
Bakit?
Siya ba nagdako sa'yo?
Hoy, ikaw! Ano?
Soli mo yung ninakaw mo!
Ninakaw? Ninakaw ko eh, ba't ka susoli? Saka puro dahon na naman ng pagtato eh! Wala naman piri!
Ha? Tumigil ka, kasamaan!
Ha?
Kung ayaw mo masaktan!
Noon! Sige, sinimpak na yan! Pero, akin ang babae na to! Ha? Boss stage ko na siya ngayon!
Paano nangyari yun?
Ganun talaga, wala sa pasalanan ng trabaho na.
Ikaw,
Ano?
bitawan mo siya kung ayaw mo masaktan.
Kaya ko!
Itong sayo!
Oh, ano yan? Hindi mo mapapatay niyang baril na kamay.
Diyan ka nagkakamali. Itong sayo!
Ano?
Ito pa!
Tama na!
Natalo rin kita.
Ay,
Natalo kita.
sensya na pati. Alam mo, kasi wala ako ng pera eh. Kaya ako nagawa yun. Sensya ka na talaga.
Alam mo, pati, ang pogi, hindi na kailangan ng pera.
Ha?
Oo, dahil gusto natin lumalapit sa kanya.
Hindi naman pogi eh. Paano yun? Hindi lalapit sa akin.
Ha, kung yan ang problema mo, eh, gumamit ka nito.
Ano yan? Oh.
Idea for Man PH Extra Whitening. Pag gumamit ka nito, magiging pogi ka na.
Talaga?
Oo, pero wag na wag mo itong gagamitin sa kasamaan.
Siyempre naman.
Pagka pogi ka, remember, with great power comes with great responsibility. Therefore, do not resist the power of the pogi. Resisting it is like denying the presence of oxygen in the air. Miss, sa na pa pala yung pogi.
Tiga talaga. Gusto na pogi ah. Ito yung number ko, tsaka yung Facebook, at tsaka yung address ko. Gusto mo ako din sa'yo, no? Pogi.
Miss, ang pogi, hindi kumukuha ng number yan ng babae. Sila ang kusa magbibigay niyan. Hindi bang meron naman nangangailangan ng kapiyan? Miss, about mo.
Bye-bye.
It's time to rock and roll. Oh, andyan na pala kayo. Ano, nagustuhan niyo ba yung napanood niyo? Well, preview pa lang yan ng bago kong movie. But if you're interested to know more, I've also written a book. And the title is Pogi Pogi, Paano Ka Ginawa? Kapag bumili ka nito, I'm sure maraming maingit sa iyo kapag pogi ka na. But remember, too much poginess can kill you. Don't worry, okay lang ako.
Teka, I'm good.
Okay. Ano folks, mukhang that's all the time we have for now. For more info about this movie, you can log on to Facebook and visit Idea for Man PH, like the page, and vote for this video now. Paano? Ingat!